Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Travel with Vaughn. I'm so excited about this video today. Someone mentions this video to me, or that I should create this video, asking, is mobile passport worth it? Is mobile passport worth it? Make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and click the bell. Hey guys, before I get started, you guys know that we are almost at 10,000 subscribers. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It's really important that you guys subscribe. But I want to get into the video because I know you guys like short videos. So I want to get straight to the point. So you know that there's mobile passport that allows you to access to US citizens, Canadians, and anyone who has a B1 or a B2 visa status. It allows you access back into the US through customs. So you know how when you come back from an international trip and there's those long lines that a lot of people have to wait almost like 2 and 3 hours when you come back into the US? Mobile Passport is a free app that is located on Android phones, on iPhones, that will allow you to cut that line in a way, in a sense. You know, it allows you to bypass. It's almost like global entry. But it's not global entry. It's totally two different. There's similar characteristics, but totally two different things. The mobile passport basically is a declaration from the U.S. allowing you to access. It's a trust app that allows you access back into the U.S. So you log into mobile passport, you download and put in all your information, and once it is approved and verified, you have access to utilize the app, which allows you to go to the mobile passport line to go to exit the airport out. Here's the good thing about mobile passport, right? With mobile passport, it has, right now, it's only at certain airports. Like right now, it's at Baltimore, it's in Boston, it's in Chicago, it's in Dallas, it's in Denver. These are places that have mobile passport. Now, it's not at every airport yet, right? But it's at a good portion of it, and it continues to grow. Now, I do like the option of mobile passport, and I want to say yes, I do think it's worth it. But once everyone gets hip to put mobile passport, the lines are going to be long, right? So like right now, it's almost like when I'm at the airport and I have global entry and I have TSA with my global entry. The TSA lines, the pre-check lines that allows you to cut the lines, the TSA pre-check lines, they're starting to become long because everyone is given global entry. But what I've noticed is that when I utilize my clear, I can cut the pre-check line and get in front of them and continue to go. So it's the same thing on the opposite end when you're coming back into the country. It's almost as if like, okay, the normal immigration line is always packed, right? And now there's people who are moving over to the mobile passport line, right? That's going to eventually become packed. And then people are moving from the from the mobile passport line to the global entry line. And that may potentially be packed at some point as well. But again, the app is free. It is very much free. And I think it is a really good resource right now if you don't want to go do global entry. Now, the cons to it. The cons is that with mobile passport, you don't have access to TSA pre-check. It is not that. It does not offer that, right? So that's something that you have to consider. Now, and it's also not available to international people that are outside the country. It's only available to US citizens and Canadians. So I'm going to put information in the links below in regards to mobile passport. And again, this is not a long video. It's just definitely telling you if you want an option to cut the lines in coming back in to the US and you are a US citizen or a Canadian citizen, mobile passport is a quick option for you to do that, okay? I'm going to put the app in the link notes below. I'm going to put some more information in the links below as well. Also, if you guys have mobile passport, leave me a comment so I'll know. Like I don't have mobile passport because I have a global entry. But anyway, global entry. If you haven't seen my global entry video, please go check it out. It has 20,000 views already and counting, and a lot of comments. People are so interested in that global entry video. So make sure you guys check out that video. But again, if you have mobile passport, please leave a comment below. I would love to know more information about how is it going for you, how is it working, have you switched over to global entry, what are the pros and cons that you think in regards to mobile passport. And again, guys, like, share, subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Peace.